Hey everyone! Today we're unboxing a true style icon, the 1951 Jaguar XK120 Roadster. This car became a legend from the moment it debuted. Introduced in 1948 at the London Motor Show, it was originally created in just a few months to showcase Jaguar's new XK engine. No one expected it to look this beautiful. The name XK120 tells the story. 120 stood for 120 miles per hour, nearly 200 kilometers per hour. The time, it was the fastest production car in the world. Now, to the model itself. We're unboxing a 124 scale replica. You'll see the long sculpted hood, rounded fenders, recessed headlights, and Jaguar's signature oval grille. In 1949, an XK120 driven by Ron Sutton reached 132 miles per hour on a Belgian highway, an unofficial speed record at the time. It proved that the car's name wasn't just a marketing gimmick. The interior is beautifully detailed, a black steering wheel, wood-style instrument gauges, and a chrome gear shift, all true to the original car. Under the hood, a 3.4-liter inline-six engine producing 160 horsepower. Thanks to its lightweight aluminum body and rear-wheel drive, the XK120 didn't just look fast, it truly was. But the Roadster wasn't just made for the streets, it conquered racetracks too, Le Mans, the Mille Miglia, and even rally stages. The Jaguar XK120 isn't just a car, it's a symbol of a new era in automotive history, an era of speed, elegance, and innovation. If you're looking for a model that's not just beautiful but historically meaningful, this is it. The XK120 was Jaguar's first sports car since before World War II. Its design broke away from the conservative styling of the 1930S and helped redefine what a British sports car could look and feel like. Initially, the first 240 cars were hand-built with aluminum bodies over ashwood frames, a technique borrowed from aircraft construction. These early versions are now among the rarest and most valuable. Demand was so high that Jaguar had to switch to pressed steel body production by 1950 to meet orders worldwide. Even Enzo Ferrari once admitted that Jaguar was the only car he would call beautiful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. More Legends in Scale are coming soon.